भूर्भुवः स्वः। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वर्योरिव भूमन्ना पृथिवी समवरिणा तस्यास्ति पृथिवीर्मग्नसारे शोकसागर से तरे अश्वमेधाधिक रचाए यज्ञ पर उपकार को धर्म मर्यादा चला कर लाभ दे संसार को नित्य श्रद्धा भक्ति से यज्ञादि हम करते रहे रोग पीड़ित विश्व के संताप सब हरते रहे भावना मिट जाए मन से पाप अत्याचार की कामनाएं पूर्ण होवे यज्ञ से नर नारी लाभकारी हो हवन हर प्राण।
Now I would like to request our MD Sir, Mr. Anil Malik, to kindly do the honor to Mr. Subhash Bhardwaj, BEO. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. To come forward and do the honor. Now I would like to request our MD Sir, Mr. Anil Malik, to kindly do the honor to Mr. Subhash Bhardwaj, BEO. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Of you to kindly take off one slip, and that person will be the guest of honor from the side of the parents for us. Acharya ji, guest of honor, one of the guests of honor from the side of the parents. All the slips are here, and we will ask anybody of you to kindly take off one slip, and that person will be the guest of Parents of Sukram class 9. Parents of Sukram class 9. Please, if you are present,
Yes, sir, please. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, the lucky parents. Now I would like to request our
प्लीज तालियां बजाने में बिल्कुल कंजूसी मत करिए, जेब से नहीं निकल रहे हैं।
memorable moment. For now, I would like to call upon our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Jyotsna Srivastav, the sculptor of human character and a seasoned scholar and a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to present the preamble of school's achievement, that is school annual report. Give her a big round of applause, ma'am.
During our journey so far, we were appreciated fabulously and were criticized too to some extent. We accepted that criticism without demur and kept improving ourselves. As a result, in this session 2015 and 16, 42 of our students qualified the International Science and Maths Olympiad.
August and September. Inter-house competitions organized by the school keep the students enthused and updated with their talents. All this could be possible only because of the cooperation from you all, dear parents, our dedicated staff members and hard-working students. We expect the same cooperation from you in future too, so that we can achieve the success that we all desire for. We all are working for the same person, your child, my child, for your warm support and wholehearted support. I also wish that तालियों में आप बिल्कुल कंजूसी नहीं करेंगे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं। Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It was really very motivating. Now back to the anchors.
Spoken English classes which all the parents must be aware of. To motivate our students, we have also arranged for some cultural exchange program with some eminent schools of Germany, which will be materialized in the month of August and September.
Baby. pray to her for guidance and knowledge. The goddess Saraswati was the authority on the academics and the arts. She, who's fair as the kundu flower, white as the moon, and a garland of tushar flowers. She, who's covered in white clothes. She, whose hands are adorned by excellent veena, and whose seat is pure white lotus. She, who is praised by the Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, and who is prayed by the Devas. Ladies and gentlemen, the galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, invited guests, teachers, and my dear friends. Dear audience, you will surely discover as the colors of Udghosh and Holi. Indeed, very wonderfully, which is truly unforgettable. The celebration you cannot practice or anything. It is the moment when the excitement of your goal makes you reach to the moment. Let's get to witness some energy, some vibes of joy in the upcoming colorful performance. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है और भी कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमी हमने अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है Wow, nice one dear, you are too witty, so am I. Audience, a huge round of applause.
ओ प्यारे दर्शकों, ओ प्यारे दर्शकों, तुम प्रसन्न हो जाओ, तुम प्रसन्न हो जाओ, मन प्रसन्न हो जाए। ओ प्यारे दर्शकों।
OMG, stop!
क्या हुआ? दिखता नहीं है, आरती कर रहे हैं, प्रसन्न कर रहे हैं।
किसको?
दर्शकों को। और किसको?
हमें दर्शकों के साथ साथ माँ दुर्गा को भी प्रसन्न करना है।
ओ भागो भागो, सब अपनी पोजीशन ले लो। माफ करना दर्शकों, माफ करना।
मस्तकों के झुंड बाज चंद की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज चंद की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान आज धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान आज धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड शक्तिमान है मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है कृष्ण की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वही तो महान है जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़